So these are the newest codes working in the hood. Let's go on ahead and check out the list and see which ones we can use for our improvements. So here we go. This is my list of codes, and as you can see, a lot of them gives a lot of cash. So the first one, which is pretty much new, is called Watch. This gets you 200,000 cash. The second one is also new. It's called Duck, and you also get 200,000 cash. Valentine's 2025 gives you 300,000. Blossom gives you 200,000. Shortcake gives 200,000. Berry gives 200,000. Shrimp gives 300,000. VIP 300,000, and 2025 of course gives 200,000 cash. So you could even just pause the video right here and keep copying the codes and putting them in your hood to get all of this cash. I'm pretty sure all of this amounts to 2.1 million cash, which is a lot of money in the hood. So make sure you use these codes. I'm gonna go on ahead and pause the video right here. You should also do that so you can copy and paste everything in the hood and get your free 2.1 million cash. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.